Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix light pink and light yellow semi-gloss latex mix for concrete wall. Light colors evoke openness and relaxation, while these shades are considered soothing and sometimes even equate sanity. Light colors represent neutrality, and they are peaceful, calm, and soft. Before we start, we just want to say thank you everyone for 200 subscribers. We appreciate every views, likes, comments, and subscription. God bless. Our client sample in mixing semi-gloss latex for light pink. Our estimated ratio is 75% of semi-gloss latex white, 20% of ochre color tulidine red, and 5% of ochre color raw sienna. Stir the paint very well to come out the color result. It is more lighter. Let's add a little more of ochre color tulidine red and a drop of ochre color raw sienna. We got the right shade now. Mixing accomplished. Our client sample in mixing light yellow. Our estimated ratio is 70% semi-gloss latex white, 27% of ochre color Hansa yellow, and 3% of ochre color phthalo green. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. It is more lighter. Let's add more ochre color Hansa yellow. Yes, we got the right shade. Mixing accomplished. If you are new to our channel, please do hit the subscribe button to keep updated on our next ideal color paint mixing tutorial video. Thank you for watching.